Hello, welcome back to my channel guys, and today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install free Smule VIP app in your Android device without paying any cost. It's completely free and it does work in any Android phones, no matter what kind of Android version is you're using right now. This video is all by my own experience, and this video I'm creating for all of my music lovers friends over the world, whoever looking for the free Smule VIP app to share their creativity to the world. If you found this video helpful, then please do share this video with your friends also. And before I get inside the video, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon as well to get more further updates and videos.
It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Let's break each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love.